Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen can. Supplemental oxygen cans offer temporary relief for mild breathlessness or fatigue. Before you begin, always inspect the can for any visible damage or an expired date. It is crucial to use the can in a well-ventilated space, ensuring you are far from any open flames or heat sources for safety. Once ready, carefully remove the protective cap from the oxygen can. Next, firmly attach the provided mouthpiece or mask onto the can's nozzle, ensuring a snug fit. Position the mouthpiece directly over your mouth, or if using a mask, place it comfortably over both your nose and mouth for effective delivery. To use, press the actuator button to release a short, controlled burst of oxygen. While pressing, inhale slowly and deeply for about 1 to 2 seconds, drawing the oxygen in. Release the button as you exhale normally. Repeat this process for 3 to 5 breaths, or as directed for optimal benefit. For safety, always store your oxygen can in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. It is vital to keep it far from any heat sources, open flames, or flammable materials. When the can is empty, please dispose of it responsibly, following your local regulations for pressurized containers to ensure environmental safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.